Another day, another vlog, another apple recipe. So, ito ating ikat lang ang mga apple. Actually, pwede sana na hindi balatan, but because it's something different yung lulutuin ko, kailangan nating balatan. Kasi ang tawag dito ay isang sauce na favorite ng mga bata na alaga ko. But because naranasan ko na rin kumain ng homemade na applesauce, gagawa rin ako ng applesauce. Easy lang po ito. Ito yung pinaka mabilis na lutuin when it comes sa pagluto ng apple. Just slice into cubes, and then so yan, everything chop. Ilagay natin sa kaldero or sa pan. Kaldero, 'di ba? Yan. So, yan, wala lang kasama yan. It's a plain apple, walang tubig. And then lalagyan natin ng I think just a cup of sugar, or not a cup, a tablespoon of sugar. Yan. Kasi matamis na yung apple, kunti na lang ang sugar. Dapat nga wala na eh. Pero marami itong apple, mas maganda rin kung may tamis siyang kunti. And then, yan, cinnamon, plus a bit of salt and lemon. Yung lemon, para hindi totally na mag-brown, para yellow siya hanggang maluto. Ganyan lang kasimple. And then, lutuin hanggang madurog-durog talaga. Kulang lang kasi ang aking cinnamon, naubos ng aking cinnamon. Pero okay na yan. Maluto na yan. So we're going to cook this for 30 to 40 minutes hanggang talagang madurog-durog siya. Okay, so it's almost done. Another like 10 minutes. So now we're going to mash it well hanggang totally na madurog-durog. But I think we have to add like another 10 minutes na lutuin pa. Okay, the homemade applesauce done. So it's up to you if you will add more sugar, but for me, it's just a natural. I just add a bit a while ago, so that's it. So homemade applesauce. Ayan, so this is my breakfast, the homemade applesauce. Mas masarap pa kaysa yung mga binibiling applesauce. So make one, it's yummy. And of course, may kasama ring rambutan. Hindi siya black coffee ngayon. Yan. So, let's eat! So, it's afternoon time or evening time. Magluluto naman ako nito ng itlog. 2 egg yolk lang yan. Dadagdagan ko yan ng kunting asukal. Maybe 2 spoon din para parehas ang bilang. This is like anong tawag nito? Chamba-chamba lang. Watch till the end. So, ngayon dito naman lagyan natin ng I think 1 and 1/2 cup of milk. This is almond milk. At it's not pakuluan. Painitin lang saglit. Ayan, 1 and 1/2 cup. And then, pag mainit na, idagdag natin dito sa may 2 itlog or 2 egg yolk and 2 tablespoon of sugar. And of course, sabi doon, dahan-dahanin lang para hindi mabigla. Actually, it should be like heavy cream, but I don't have heavy cream. So, yung milk na lang, almond milk. So, i-bake natin ito ng 35 to 45 minutes. Ilagay lang natin dito sa hulmaan na ito or baking pan. Okay, so my crumble is done. Next, we have to cool it down for like 2 hours. Yan. Oy, I think it's good. After 2 hours, gabi na. Ito na. Lagyan lang ng konting sugar. Ganyan naman nakikita ko. Sinunod ko lahat. But hindi ko alam kung luto sa loob actually. Pero 35 to 40 minutes naman ang sinabi. So, nagtansya lang ako ng oras. Next. My gosh. It works. Can you hear that? The sugar. So, dito ginamit namin ang brown sugar. Tinignan namin kung ano ang mas maganda, brown or white. But I think this brown is much better, mas madaling gawin. So, brown sugar is better than white then. Ang creme brulee. Tok-tok first, tok-tok first.
Yeah, let it...
Naman the creme brulee. Taste it. Crunchy?
Fail.
Failed. Makain naman. Anyways, thanks again for watching and see you next time.